Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Chicken Shop. Today I'm going to cook me thin ribeye steak, some seasoning with some steak in chop. I have some melted butter. That's about 3 tablespoons. So get this steak out my little pan. This steak. Oh, wait a minute, this steak looks like it's filled. I'm not gonna put that much steak seasoning on it. I'm gonna show you. Okay? Alright. So I'm gonna put a splash of Dale seasoning out of tablespoon. Let that cook. I love knives that I love to cook with. I got me some onions that I cut up. I'm gonna put them in there. I like onions. So this is just one onion cut up. And this is like really what? This is about a half a stick of butter, so about 4 tablespoons of butter.